for our bagless products with 2 years standard warranty, 10 years warranty on motor, and then we go up till 7.5 million for our handheld, the bendable ones that we are speaking of, where we are again talking about 2 years standard warranty and 10 years warranty on motor, right? We're also talking about, we'll also today talk about clearing off a myth. Vacuum cleaners are not about suction blades. So now, as you can see, this is already parked as a clip, right? So if I was vacuuming and I needed to just remove this, I could remove it and use it like this. So
nah itu kepalanya udah bisa diparkir gitu aja teman-teman ya. Jadi bisa didiemin gitu aja udah bisa. Tinggal disambung semudah itu. Once again, kepalanya.
Yeah. So it's very easy to attach, like you see I attached.
Gampang banget attach-nya.
Then you power it on like this, right? So the suction is already so strong that I can't even move it. Easy to bend, right? You can see straighten, bend it. I'll show you why bending helps. Okay. So let's talk about vacuum itself. You see the styrofoam balls vanishing.